Thanks very much. Cheers. Thank you very much from the driver of 222004. Measuring the track thing. Cheers. 153379, thank you very much. Never mind that, cheers. Yeah, you're not going to get anything apart. $390,200. Bin trace. Bit, thank you very much. Cheers, mate. Formed of 805006. Yeah, you're not going to get numbers for that one. 5. Cheers. $805,009 and 8. Cheers, 66729. Thank you very much. Thanks for the late two-tone nav 222006 and 22018 is in behind me. Thank you very much. Oh, cheers. Oh, hang on, no, hang on. That was the cancelled service at Nottingham. That was the cancelled service. That will probably be doing a service down to... oh, maybe Cricklewood? Maybe, possibly. Wouldn't it be easier to go to Derby, though? Because isn't that where they store their Meridians? But anyway, thanks for the amazing two-turn there from the driver of 222018. That was the cancelled service. That was the cancelled 1732 service. So that's very interesting on why it's come through. But hey-ho.